Hey guys, welcome back to my living room. I hope it's not too echoey. I've been filming videos in here because I wanted to have the tree as the background. Today I want to chat with you about some beauty things. I've been doing a little bit of shopping. I have some really late Black Friday things to share with you. The Sephora coupon, let's just get into it. Got a hot cup of coffee. This is Starbucks Cinnamon Dolce. So if you like this filming location, please let me know. I hope it's not too echoey. We won't know until I play this back, and hopefully it's not a nightmare. But I just wanted to film in my living room. I just like to have the tree in the background. I think it's very festive. I hear my earrings jingling, and I hope it doesn't pick up on the camera either. These are from Kendra Scott, and they're really cool because they're like pointy. They have like these points to them, but they are gunmetal, and then they have like this gorgeous dark navy stone all over them. So they're perfect to wear with blue and denim, and they're like a good, neutral, fun, funky earring. Anyways, okay, so let's start with the Black Friday things. Every year I feel like these show up on Black Friday at ULTA, but the Philosophy 3-in-1, I don't use this as shampoo. I use it as bubble bath and shower gel. Oh my gosh. I've already used a ton of this one. This is Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere. You guys, you just need to get this. It is so, you put it in your bath and it smells luxurious. It's comforting, it's warm, it's incredible. Oh, it's lovely. It's plush, it's inviting, it's like you put on your favorite comfy cozy sweater, which I'm wearing one of my favorites today. It just, you want to keep taking baths with this. Like, it invites you back for more. So Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere, picked that up. I think these were $10 during Black Friday, but they might still be on some sort of sale. I mean, it's the holidays, and basically every store puts everything somewhere on sale. Then I got Cinnamon Buns, which is a classic scent they've had for years. Warm, sticky cinnamon buns. I actually bought this in the big, huge 32-ounce guy one year. I like these warm, cozy scents at this time of year because it's a little bit cooler out, and I take a lot of bubble baths in the wintertime. Not in the summer because I get way too hot. But this is a lovely one. And then the last one that I got was I don't know if this is new, but it's Vanilla Velvet Truffle. I used this in my shower this morning. It's just like, it's not like cookies, and that's the other thing about these is you're thinking, oh, well, I don't want to smell like a cookie all day. You won't, because they don't linger outside of the shower, which is great because then if you want to layer in with your lotions and your perfumes, this isn't going to interfere with that. This is like a real vanilla, like a vanilla bean. There's an elegance to this. It kind of reminds me a little bit, there might be a similar note in this Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere, which, by the way, fresh cream by itself is a wonderful one as well. So I did pick these up. These lather really well, and they make absolutely great bubble baths. There's just something about a warm cup of coffee and chatting with friends, right? So this next thing I'm just going to talk about real quick because I'm not sure if you can currently purchase this, but I did share this in my Instagram story because I was so shocked to get this. I hadn't heard a single thing about it. I wasn't expecting this. In fact, when this box landed on my doorstep, I'm like, what is that? And like even the return address, I'm like, New York, I don't know anybody there. Drunk Elephant. This is their new retinol cream. I'm sharing this solely to let you know I have it and that I'm going to be using it for a while, and I will do an update much later. I've used retinol, and I'm very familiar with retinol, but I haven't used this particular one. I've only used it once so far, and with retinol, you want to start really slow, especially if you're new to it. Or for me, I haven't been using it for a bit, so I'm starting slow once a week, and you got to work up to it. A new breed of retinol. A-Passioni Retinol Cream is a clean, cutting-edge formula that combines 1% vegan retinol with nourishing, superfood-rich ingredients to dramatically diminish the appearance of fine lines, deep wrinkles, and sun damage, revealing a vibrant, younger-looking complexion. So I will let you know, and this is very exciting. I'm very much in love with the Drunk Elephant line. If you want to see my full tree in action, I did do a full winter home decor tour, Christmas tour. I will link that below and put it in a card, but my tree's fabulous. And I'll link the tree too if you're just curious about it, but you need to go watch the video. This next thing, okay, so Lisa Eldridge. If you don't know who she is, you need to just go subscribe to her channel. She is a celebrity professional makeup artist. She's gorgeous. She's incredibly talented. Her list of who she has worked on and who she works on currently is just A-listers, you know, like, so she is doing makeup on people that are gorgeous, but she started her own lipstick line, and I bought all three. Let me tell you why. First of all, it was the best deal. Like, if you're gonna buy one and I think pay shipping, I don't even know if there was shipping, but tax and all that stuff, by the time you did that, you were already halfway to owning all three. So I was like, well, okay. Twist my arm. If you purchase all three, they come in this really gorgeous velvet bag. But what they are is a velvet lipstick. Now these literally, sorry, Parks and Rec reference. These are what the packaging looks like. They are red lipsticks. And before you're like, oh, I don't like red lipsticks, I assure you one of these shades you will like, because she did a warmer orangey red, she did a blue-based red, which is the lipstick I'm wearing today, and then she did more of a bricky red, which I was really most interested in the brick red because I love brick red. And fun fact, in high school, that's the color lipstick I wore every day. Every day I wore brick red lipstick. It looked fabulous on me, but it was just like my signature look. And I'm like, let's just time travel a bit. So these on the outside, that's where I was going with the literally, and then I got all into Parks and Rec, look like velvet. Let me try to see if the camera is going to. So when you think of velvet, it's got that lovely texture around the outside, and this looks like that. Now the inside is just like lipstick, but the outside, it is velvet. It is the coolest thing I have ever seen. So this is Velvet Morning. This is the warmer undertoned red. It's almost like an orangey red. For me, I will probably wear, well, yeah, definitely wear this more spring, summer. Really simply stunning. Oh, I haven't worn this one yet, or swatched it really. I swatched it in the dark when I got it, but that doesn't really count. Velvet Jazz. So she really wanted to mirror these. I probably should zoom in here a little bit. She wanted to mirror these after a classic makeup. She has makeup lipstick tubes from the 20s in her collection. You should just go watch her video because she explains it fully, much better than I can remember. But I love her. I love her channel. I've learned a lot of things from her, and I totally wanted to support her in her journey here. And so that is the brick red one. And then the one that I'm wearing today is perfect for Christmas. This is called Velvet Ribbon. This is that blue-based red. This is the red that is going to make your teeth look whiter because it's got that cooler undertone. Pigmented too. Like one swipe, you don't have to do like a couple swipes to get this on. It's a matte formula, but it's very, very comfortable. I've worn this now for probably like the past hour or so. I've been drinking with it. I don't have those weird wearing off or cat butthole lips or anything like that. It just looks really nice. It feels very comfortable. Oh, sorry, that little part. So this one is Velvet Ribbon. I just realized I left my dishwasher running, so I hope you didn't hear that, and if you did, I'm sorry. My videos are so real, it's not even funny. Sometimes I get annoyed at myself, but then I'm like, well, you guys tell me you like it that way, so, well, let her run. Alright, so, okay, Ulta, I think I had to get free shipping. Like, I was doing something to get free shipping, and so I decided that I haven't had this lip liner since my wedding day. I had completely used it up, and it's kind of a fantastic nude. It's by Lancome, and is it Lancome? No, it's Estee Lauder. This isn't the right one. Hold up, this isn't new. This is the new one. Lancome Bronzelle. I wore it on my wedding day. It's a great nude. The lady at the counter did not steer me wrong because since then I've learned and tried several different types of lip liner brands and formulas and colors. Do I need a story about this? Okay, I'm sorry, I have to digress. On the US Postal Service website, you can get those priority box for free. Like you can go to the store and buy one, but spit it out. At the post office, you can go get those priority mailing boxes for free, right? Well, you can order them online for free too, and that's super awesome. However, I ordered one, right? But it means 1 pack of 10. What am I gonna do with all these? Okay, so that's what all the commotion was for all those useless boxes because it took so long. By the time it got here, I had already gone to this post office. Anyways. Okay, I was talking about this lip liner. Let me swatch it for you. This is a really lovely nude shade. It's not too yellow, it's not too brown. It's just a really nice nude. Get a little closer here. Oh, Chelsea, what is the deal today? So I was missing having this in my lip collection, and Lisa D1 talks about it all the time. Everything she loves, I like feel compelled to purchase. This next thing, I was at the Dior counter. I don't know what I was doing. I shouldn't have been there. I was sitting there just drooling, and I seen their holiday collection, and I'm like, I haven't bought a Dior Quint in a very long time, and I'm not always drawn to them. Like sometimes the limited edition just doesn't draw me in, or I just don't like the colors, and I don't buy a lot of limited edition anymore because then if I do want to use it, then you can't get it, and there's that whole debacle. However, I could not pass up this Quint. So this is called Midnight Wish, or that's the collection, and this is 57 Moonlight. That's upside down. I had to read it, sorry. There's another one that is warm undertones, is like bronzes and goldens and those types of things. I'm much more into the cool tones, and when I saw this, I just had to have it. Okay, so what you're looking at there is a gorgeous taupe. This is like a deep slate grayish blue color. It's like a silvery color, but on your lids, it just sparkles and gleams. It has that really pretty star, there we go, overspray. And then this color right here, it looks a little bit like a pinky, like a rose gold. Oh, it is stunning. And then you have this gorgeous silver. I've only worn this twice, and I haven't dipped into this center color yet here at all. But it is stunning, and I thought this would make a perfect like holiday makeup look. So if you would like me to use this, I can. I used to do a lot, there's a little better look. I used to do a lot of get ready with me's on my channel, but I don't know, the interest doesn't seem to be there as much. However, if you're interested, I totally will. So let me swatch this. There are the swatches. Gorgeous lid shades, and even this darker color, it's not like too dark. Stunning. This bracelet's Kendra Scott, in case you're eyeballing it, like I did, and was like, oh, that is gorgeous. So there are the colors. I think those make a perfect smoky, I just think it's going to be gorgeous, especially with the red lips. So let me know if you'd like to have a look. So the Sephora 25 off a $75 coupon came out. I say that way because every other year, as long as I've shopped at Sephora, it's been 25 off of 50. So you essentially could get about 50% off of something. But now it's like if you spend around 80, you're getting around 30% off. So it's kind of a bummer. But I didn't want to let the coupon go to complete waste because it still was saving money, right? So I picked up 3 things. The first thing here is a blush by NARS. Why do I keep showing it upside down? This is not a new blush. In fact, I remember when this first came out, it was a limited edition color, part of I think a spring collection. And I never bought it, but I always thought it was a really gorgeous color. I'm wearing it today. It's matte, which I really like. It's a very soft, cool toned pink, not bright, not obnoxious. It is just really, really pretty. It just adds the most gorgeous flush to the cheeks, but it's not too bright. I don't know how this will show up on like deeper skin tones. I know it shows up on medium skin tones because I know someone who wears this and it looks gorgeous. But look at that color. I just thought that was really beautiful, especially at this time of year when we're all a little bit more fair, and if you're anything like me, you're milky white. This soft flush of pink is just very gorgeous on the cheeks. And then I thought, you know, I really am a practical person, so I wanted to get something that I would eventually run out of, which would be mascara. And I'm loving the NARS Climax mascara, and I was tempted to buy another one, but you know, you get an opportunity to buy a new mascara, and if you're anything like me, you're like, I want to try something new, or I want to try something else, not just the same thing. And I haven't had this in a while, and I know I like it, but I haven't had it in a while, so I bought the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. You know, a lot of people like this mascara. It is a good mascara. I can't remember everything that I loved about it because it's been years. Because, like I said, I like to try a new mascara every time. But I'll use this soon and let you know. And then the last thing is actually a replacement, or like a backup, if you will, of something I'm really enjoying. And I've mentioned it several times here already, just this past fall. I got this for my birthday in August, and it's the Genius Liquid Collagen Lip from Eldridge. I've mentioned this in a favorites a few times, but this is great. It is fantastic. I absolutely feel like it completely plumps up the lip line area. Not a plumping, tingling thing, nothing weird. Like, it's collagen. So collagen is what we lose as we age, and that's what gives your face the plumpness, is collagen. And I really feel like this is working. I use it morning and night, so After I do my skincare, this is the last thing I do before I put on my little lip mask, but I really think this is working, and so I don't want to be without it, and the fact that it was on sale with the coupon, I was like, no brainer, I am going to get this. It has hyaluronic acid and collagen in it. Let me just show you what the actual bottle here, this is the new one, obviously, Chelsea. This is what it looks like. You twist it up and it has like a cool little applicator. It feels really cooling when you put it on. It's really lovely. Alright, that is everything from my little haul. Let me know about the Dior thing if you'd like me to do some sort of holiday look with it. I absolutely will. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye, guys.